Insane new ChatGPT plugins are being released every day. The latest batch of plugins have completely changed the game. Here are 13 free ChatGPT plugins that will 5x your productivity. In this video, I just introduced 13 plugins. If you want detailed video about those plugins, then comment below. I will make video on it. Let's the video. 1. Check the chain. Become your own version of research any token instantly with on-chain data. 2. Website performance. Measure the SEO, speed, and tons of other key metrics about your website to better optimize and understand your website or competitors. 3. Scraper. Scrape the contents of any website without having to use Python or other code. Stack websites to make this tool super powerful. 4. Vista. Create a short video instantly using free public stock footage, insanely powerful for YT, TikTok, IG, or other socials. 5. Diagram. Instantly build charts and graphs based on data scraped from the internet using ChatGPT. Before moving into next point, make sure you subscribe our channel. Let's further move into our video. 6. Show notes. Takes a long podcast and gives quick summaries, highlights quick points, and suggests more shows. 7. Web Pilot. Combine powerful plugins with the ability to browse the web to give you AI superpowers. 8. Questmate Forms. Instantly create shareable forms based on any type of information. ChatGPT will come up with questions and Questmate will create a shareable form. 9. AI Agents. Combine multiple powerful AI systems to have a supercomputer with endless productivity options. 10. WP Interact. Fetch or search posts from self-hosted WordPress websites, opening new possibilities for smart interaction with content. 11. Cloudflare Radar. Real-time insights about traffic patterns and threats provided by Cloudflare. 12. Web Requests. A mix of Google, Wikipedia, and ChatGPT. Your ultimate knowledge center to get research into any topic fast. 13. Clinical Trial Radar. Stay on top of the latest research and clinical trials. Excellent for anyone in the medical field. If you felt this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.